Ngeke lo maphuphu afeze mngani wami ungena energy. Khohlwa bhoza yami. Usenezimbobo ezivuzisa energy. Wena ungazi. Khohlwa. By the time kumele uthathe uaction oyokuphumelelisa, uyobe ungenayo lo energy. Futhi uzobe ungakukholwa lokho ukuthi ungakwenza. Hayi ukuthini? I-energy. Uyabona wena nama past experiences akho nixhumene nge-energy. Yabona uwena lo uyena manje. U-energetic kunama thought patterns akwenza ukuthi uphindaphinda into eyodwa ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngisho wazi kahle ukuthi ayikho right. Yabona nje lo muntu oyena nje manje uxhumene naye ngokwe-energy. Kunento ekuthiwa ama-energy fields, invisible fields akugcina u-attached to into ezithile. Yabona nje mase uku-TikTok la ukuzwe le force le engafuni ukukudedela ukuthi uhambe. Ucabanga ukuthi yini le? Uyizwe lo force le engafuni ukukudedela. Neke nalo muntu oyena energetically speaking kumele ukuthi disintegrate lento ekuthiwa ama-energetic bonds akwenza ukuthi ube yilo muntu oyena owenza lezi zinto azenzayo. Ezinye zazo ezi-counter intuitive ezingakuyisi la ufuna ukuya khona. Kodwa nje in a nutshell awuqale manje ucabange in terms of energy. Udinga a very serious energy to accomplish very serious stuffs. So ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Le energy engikhuluma ngayo ke iphekwapi. Iyodwa bangani bami source of energy. Iyodwa. And wena uyakwazi ukuphula, ukudonsa, ukudrawa kuwe that immense energy ozokwazi ukuthi ufeze ngayo amaphupho akho. Uma usuyidonsile lo energy ukwazi uku-activate ama extra sensory perception. Uzwe beyond ukuzwa ngendlebe, ubone beyond ukubona ngamehlo, wazi beyond uku-experience. Now you are outside of the space and time because uma u-enhance i-awareness, u-enhance i-consciousness. Ma enhance consciousness, we enhance energy. Energy is everything, guys. Think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Asho nje Nikola Tesla. Ikuphi ke powerhouse yale energy engikhuluma ngayo? Ikwi uniting or invisible field. Let me put it this way. Invisible field of energy. Wena mele uxhumane nale invisible field. Umbuzo ke uthi, how do you connect to that invisible field? Okokuqala nje ngoba le energy uzoyidonsa ngengqondo. Okokuqala uzoyidonsa ngengqondo. Shuthi into yokuqala la ukukhwayetha wona umqondo. Ukhwayetha kanjani kumqondo? Awukhwayetha ukuthi utshela ukuthi ngiyakhwayetha nje manje. Ukhwayetha ngokuthi ube aware of this invisible field that I'm talking about. This nothingness, this awareness that is always there. Yabo? You just become aware of it. Yeah? Once you are aware of it, you step outside of the space and time. And we are pulling the energy from this invisible field that I'm talking about. Once you do that, you'll be able to connect to every reality, to everything that you want to connect to. Ngenxa yokuthini awuseyena lo muntu owuye, you are becoming no one now, because awukwazi mfethu ukuthi ube aware of your likes and dislikes and your personality at the same time you are aware of this invisible field. Kuzokwenzeka okukodwa. If you are aware of this invisible field, you are not going to be aware of your personality, the person you are. So ngaleyo ndlela you'll be disconnected from the person you think you are, because that's not the person you are. That is the person you think you are. Mentally created. Those are the habits, experiences that you think you are. So the person you think you are in the space and time is mentally constructed. So once you disintegrate and connect to this invisible field, by being aware of it at any given moment, you just disconnect from this current reality, because you are not going to create any new reality as long as you are still connected to this current reality. What connects you to this current reality is your thought patterns. Your thought patterns are connecting you to this current reality, because when now with your past, how are you connected to your past? Through any thoughts and feelings. That is why makudlala ingoma ethile activate certain neurological connections in your brain, and then we are connected to your past ngenxa yanje yokudlala kwaleyo ngoma leyo, yabo. So once you start by disconnecting from the current reality, by being aware of this invisible field, then now we are connected to the energy that is concerned within harmony and coherent. So ngaleyo ndlela kubalekile ukuthi ucabange in terms of energy ngaso sonke isikhathi. That is why kungabalekile ukuthi umoshe energy ngokuphendulana nezindaba engakudingi, umoshe energy ngokuba involve entweni ezithile that are like just counter intuitive, yabo. So ngaleyo ndlela you are just closing the leaks that are there, that are sucking your energy, so that you'll be able to take your energy to a desired path. It's a using that.